For this, we're gonna be needing a raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it. It mustn't necessarily be from Bragg. I'm not promoting any company, but I'm just telling you that if you have to use apple cider vinegar, you use the unfiltered. You can see at the back of my apple cider vinegar, I still have some particles. It is really unfiltered and raw, and it contains the mother in it. Now this is going to help you to clear all blemishes on your skin, as well as dark spots, pigments, and pimples, and it's going to help to remove fine lines and as well as wrinkles. And then you're going to be putting in a little bit of Vaseline. If you don't usually use petroleum jelly, you can replace it with coconut oil, and this is going to be very ideal. Okay, now this petroleum jelly helps so much in reversing the skin from wrinkles and fine lines. And then you're going to be putting in a little bit of rice powder. Now this is a great remedy that helps to leave the skin beautiful, and it also leaves the skin polished. Using rice powder on the skin would effectively make your skin look really nice. And then you're going to be putting in a little bit of honey. Now honey is a great natural remedy that helps the skin glow. It moisturizes the skin, and it also helps to leave the ingredients, goes deep into the skin and work really fine. Now the first thing you're going to do is to shake very well the apple cider vinegar so that the particles can mix, okay, into whatever you're going to use it for. And you're going to take 2 cups of this. Alright, 2 cups of apple cider vinegar is perfect. That's if you're using it for your face only. And then if you don't have Vaseline, or you actually do not use Vaseline, you can use coconut oil. So you're going to take a little bit of that, and then you're going to move that into the treatment. If you're actually using this on your face only, 1 teaspoon of rice powder, or if you want to use rice water, it's still perfect. Okay, then you're going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, you can actually measure it so that you should be rest assured that you have an accurate measurement. And then you stir and mix it all up very well. It's going to be looking brownish, just like honey looks. Okay, so you mix and mix very well so that all of the ingredients will mix together, and so that this would give you a very better and great result. Okay, and this is wonderful. You have to make the consistency perfect enough to apply on your face. Hey guys, alright, so here's the treatment, and we're going to be using a brush to apply that. And you're going to dip your brush into the treatment, and then you grab it and then you apply it onto your face. Okay, like that. The smell of apple cider is it smells horrible, but of course it's very good for the skin. Okay, but it smells really horrible, and it's kind of like enters the eye. Man, it smells really horrible. Okay, so after that, guys, you don't have to scrub it. You just leave it on your face for like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, after that, then you go wash it off. And whenever you want to use it, you have to shake it. Okay, you have to shake it. Now this you can actually use once to twice in a week, and it does really well. This is the particular one I'm using. Sometimes I used to use another brand, but that has the mother in it. Okay. Alright guys, so after 3 to 4 minutes, then you can go wash it off, and if you repeat this twice a week, your skin is going to be glowing. Okay, but if you have a very sensitive skin, you have to dilute the apple cider vinegar with enough water before using it.